family's been here since 1950. My grandparents came here, my dad's been here, my parents, myself, my family have been here now. As far as Mission Creek itself goes, yeah, there's been a lot of changes going on there, both policy related and then climate change related. So on the policy side, they used to clean out Mission Creek about every 6 years or so on average. That kind of stopped in the early 2000s. And since then, we've seen all that material that was upstream keeps coming down, and it's now building up very large gravel bars where it's almost to the point of touching the bottom of the bridge, but certainly is a big problem during spring freshet. But we've also had on the climate change side a lot of more variable weather, I guess. And so we've had probably in the last 10 years, I think about 1 in 100 year flood events. So those aren't 1 in 100 year events anymore. They're more like 1 in 150 years or something like that. So for our portion of the creek, we had a couple culverts along here that needed to be replaced. They were in pretty bad shape. Again, they'd been damaged by flood events, weren't really functioning as they should have. So the culverts needed to be replaced. The stream itself was varying depths. This part up here was maybe a little bit healthier than certainly down over as we get closer to Mission Creek at that end of the field, where it was just non-functioning. It was what was a 3-foot, say, deep ditch was now 100% full of sand. So all that had to be cleaned out. The culverts had to be rebuilt. And yeah, everything's flowing really good right now. So like we say, hopefully that carries through into the summer, and we'll see how things are going then.